Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are doing a Cobra Lily update for you. They're starting to break dormancy and it's not looking too bad. I repotted them this winter, so they all got set back like big time because I totally made divisions and repotted them into different pots, and they're in black pots now, and I put 4 of those pots back in my stream. So this is like an old school video. I remember doing a Cobra Lily video with these guys in the stream like 5 years ago. It worked really well, so I thought I would try it again and see how this goes. I have divided them up, so I have 4 pots in the stream, and if we look on the other side, we normally don't get a view like this. There is the rest of the Cobra Lilies over there in a tray with my solar watering system, which I have done videos on in the past. But yeah, they are looking really nice. And the stream just keeps them nice and cool for the summertime. Being in black pots now, I feel is dangerous. I always had them in white pots before. We want to keep the roots as cool as we can on these guys. So this stream is about 4,000 gallons. And even in the middle of summer, it takes a long time to get warm. It's very stable, so it keeps the roots nice and cool. In this location, it's going to get afternoon to evening sun. It misses all the morning and hot afternoon sun. And I find the pictures actually get bigger when it's a little bit more shaded as well. So this year we'll see the difference. I'll try growing them in 2 locations and see what happens. When I repotted them and divided them this year, I separated out all the rhizomes and put each one in its own little pot. I think those are about 1 gallon size pots now. We're moving up to quite a good size pot. Maybe not quite 1 gallon. Maybe they're like 3/4 of a gallon. I don't know. But anyways, I would call them a 6-inch pot. And yeah, so I did that in January when they were still dormant, and then it took a little while. It was a lousy spring, so they're just getting going now, but I can see some nice bright red growths on them. I totally hacked back all the old pictures that had anything dead on them, so they kind of look like crap right now, but I'm expecting good things. I just used a mixture of peat moss and perlite. I think there's a touch bit of sand in there for them as well, just for some drainage, but lots of peat and perlite, and they seem to do well for me with that sort of media. And yeah, what else can I tell you? They're sitting in about 1 inch of water down here with a stream going through. So you can see it's coming down there and heading towards the main pond. A little bit much water for my liking, but yeah, it works. And then this one down here, there's 1 little spot left, so I tucked 1 more down there, and it's in like a 1/2 inch of water. But either way, the main point is the roots are going to stay cooler. Going to be sort of in the dappled sun instead of full sun like the ones on the other side of the patio that I showed you. And I think it's going to be good. Plus, I love this setting. The pond is just looking so nice, and the stream is looking fairly natural, even though it's man-made by me. But yeah, that is my Cobra Lily update for you for spring. They're doing well. I'm expecting good things from them this summer, all being freshly repotted. If you like this video and you want to see more updates like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching.